Japanese sedans are renowned for their reliability, with models like the Toyota Corolla and Lexus ES leading their segments. This list highlights standout models that excel in sport, comfort, and luxury, all while maintaining exceptional reliability. Number 4. The 2025 Toyota Camry, priced at $28,700, marks a major shift as a hybrid-only model. Powered by the reliable 2.5-liter A25 inline-4 platform shared with Toyota and Lexus hybrids, it delivers an impressive 663-mile range on one tank. Number 3. The 2024 Subaru Outback, starting at $28,895, blends SUV versatility with the charm of a wagon. Powered by the reliable 2.5-liter FB25D Boxer engine, it also offers a turbo variant for extra power. With its flexible design, the Outback remains a standout choice in Subaru's lineup. Number 2. The 2024 Mazda 3, priced at $24,170, is a stylish and practical sedan at its peak. Its refined 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, perfected over a decade, ensures reliability, while a turbocharged variant enhances performance in higher trims. Number 1. The 2022 Toyota Prius Prime, starting at $29,865, offers unmatched reliability, low upkeep costs, and fuel efficiency. Its refined 1.8-liter hybrid engine, backed by over a decade of development, pairs with 25 miles of EV range, often making the gas engine unnecessary.